Gold taking the support from 1944-45 levels. In our last update, we have clearly mentioned it is a good support zone. The only selling entry is below 1944 and a buying entry is above 1951. It has breached 1951 and stayed bullish, achieved 1965. So now what to expect from gold today? Is it again going to rally, or we can see it creating lower highs and it is going to trade in this bearish channel? Which position you should take, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned with the latest update. The next update on gold will be released before the US session. Watch that as well. Firstly, on the hourly charts, 5 candles taking support from 1945-44. Now, whenever you see candles making a stronger base, you can say that it is ready to rise because it has created a good base. It can rise as much, and that is what has happened. It has seen 1965 levels. Now, if you notice, 1970 was the wall, now 1965, so it is creating lower highs here. Thus, we have to wait for it to stay above 1965 and then 1970 levels. Yes, this also we had discussed yesterday that beyond 1951, this is the zone it needs to break past by in order to confirm the reversal. Right now, it is still within the limit. So gold is creating lower highs, lower lows, trying to trade in this zone. Let's have a further detailed look. The stochastic is rising, MACD is in green, RSI is flat, and on the 2-hour, if you look at the 2-hour charts, yes, this is what I am talking about, lower highs, lower lows. Wait for it to break past 1965 in order to confirm a buying position. At the same time, we can initiate a selling position at 1955, but then we have to watch out whether it can consolidate or is it willing to give a breakout. Consolidation means higher lows, which means below 1955, we can look forward to 1947-48 as the first targets. 48, which was support yesterday, is again going to be the support today. Stochastic looking down, MACD has crossed over at bottom. This also we discussed, and it is trading with divergence and bullishness. RSI is staying flat. On the 3-hour, now on the 3-hour chart, see what has happened. The drop, retracement towards 20 period, the drop and retracement towards 20 period. Now it is retraced towards 20 period. Moving averages are crossing over. This is a bearish sign. Now at best, even if it tries to rise, here is the resistance where you will find 1968-70 zone as the maximum resistance. So even if it tries to rise, these levels should come out to be a greater resistance zone on the upside. If you look at 3-hour charts, higher lows are seen taking support at the bottom. Stochastic looking down, MACD has crossed over at bottom, trying to look upwards, trying to trade bullish. RSI is also looking upwards. Coming to 4-hour chart. Now on the 4-hour charts, see the drop, the retracement, then a minor drop here. And look at these two candles, higher highs, lower lows. It is still into a swing zone. We can wait. If you see the price is staying below 1955-54 zone, you can take a sell entry for 48-50 levels. And if it breaks below 48, yes, that is the time where you can say that the bears are taking over. And we might look at 44-45 again. Below that, it is going to give a very good crash. But right now, it is trying to show a slight reversal. The stochastic near to top, MACD has crossed over at the bottom, trying to look upwards, trying to trade with divergence. Just 2 candles apart, so possibly it could continue. RSI is flat. Coming to the daily chart. Now, before I come to the daily charts and I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 27th batch is going to start on 28th of November. Register yourself now itself. Do not miss this opportunity, because see, learning is the only investment which can reap the profits to you for lifetime. You can find the details about the batch here in my page www.forexfunda.com. Here are the details with respect to the batch, the timings, the curriculum, the services, and yes, the payment tab is also there along with the registration form. So you can fill in the details, proceed ahead with the payment and book your seat. Also, the weekly webinar for the insights of the market is going to get conducted tomorrow. Register for the webinar. I do take up the live queries also in the same webinar. This is for 1-hour session. We are going to discuss markets and we are going to take up the queries here. Register for the webinar. Also, this platform has much more to offer for you, whether be it the economic calendar from across the globe where the data is there, the markets where you look, you can find your favorite instrument, you can search for the charts and you can do your own analysis with the help of tools and techniques, tools and indicators available. Also, you can schedule a call with me where you can discuss or get consultation on any of your queries here. And the important part is the discussion forum where you can indulge in a discussion with the like-minded traders. So do visit the platform forexfunda.com. Now see, on the daily charts, you can look at lower highs, lower lows. Thus, it is very clear we have to wait for it to break past 1965 zone and then 1970 zone. If these two levels are taken, then you can say that gold is reversing. We may see highs, then we can look forward to 78.80, which is the next strongest resistance on the upside. So yes, a possibility of a little retracement exists. However, I will not treat gold as bullish. I will not treat gold as a reversal. Why? Because the preceding candle has lower highs, lower lows. It has a tail on the downside. It has a wick on the downside, suggestive that it was not trading with a bullish bias. It has just shown the swings here. If it would have been bullish, it have gone upside, it have breached 1970 levels. So yes, we have to exercise caution as long as 1965 levels are respected here, and that is the only buying position. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell here at 1955 54 levels. Yes, you can sell there. Expect it to move towards 19 50 48. This is the first support zone, and then 44 45, that is the next target zone. Below 44 is where you can say that the bears will take over completely, and we can look a move towards 1940 and 30 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. If you want to trade as per the signals, you can join my premium signals channel in Telegram. This is where I give you the entries, the targets, along with all the support you require. Do not miss this opportunity. Join the premium channel, signals channel, join the mentorship batch, join the webinar. And yes, before leaving the video, do press the like button, do share, subscribe, and comment, friends. This is what we require to continue to deliver consistently. The next update is before the US session. What that is. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.